2025. Monday the 4th of August 2025. And like I was telling you guys that there is some storm, they call it Storm Floris, and that storm it's on its, I don't know if it's on its way to London, but at the moment it's in Scotland and those with Storm Floris. That's why you see the skies are so grey. So we are Rich's Road. So this road, the name has been changed. It's formerly Richmond Road. So if you have been living here and you went home and you know the name of it was formerly Richmond Road, it's now Rich's Road in Ilford. So yep, changes has been made and redevelopment has been done. These flats are, these are people's home, like I'm telling you. See, these are a lot of flats. These are flats beyond me. These are people's houses, people's home. This where we are, where these flats are, called Axon Place, leading to Center Way apartment. Right, so that's Center Way apartment there. Those flats. It's called Center Way apartment. Now we come to South Ilford. So this is South Ilford.